This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by gmoore. Hard to find 5-bedroom with 3-car garage and a huge yard. This is a nice one too. High ceilings and vaulted in the primary bedroom. Flexible floor plan. Gorgeous new laminate flooring on the main level. New jetted hot tub. Gas cooking, fireplace, hot water and heating. Central air. Media/art niche above the fireplace mantle. Kitchen pantry. Inside laundry room with cabinets. 5th bedroom on main level could be office. RV parking. Fenced yard with sprinkler system front and back. 100% financing through USDA. For more information, review the details below or contact gmoore at 503-495